Alrighty, checking out the market here. So today we're having a look at Flamingo. Yesterday we had a look at Flamingo as well, and it was in this falling wedge here, which was pretty nice, and it was kind of bull flaggy. And now it's busted up through the top, so there's a good 9% there, and now it's kind of bull flagging again. So this is a pretty good setup on the 1 hourly with Flamingo. So hopefully it can just keep rolling, and start a nice little parabolic phase like the rest of the DeFi is. It's still pretty good when we hopped in down here, hit this 200 and back up again. So let's have a look at Binance. Binance is absolutely powering. If you're not on Binance, get on to Binance. There's a link in the description part below. But look at this, 32, 27, 22, 22, 20. It's outrageous. 20, 17, 17, 17, 17. I just keep going. And most of them is Flamingo here, 12. Most of them are all DeFi. So DeFi is pumping hard. DeFi is the flavor of this month, this couple of weeks anyways, and definitely will be the flavor of next month and into the first bit of next year. Right, over to the main caps. They're going pretty good today. Bitcoin's up 4%, Ethereum up 3%, XRP's powering with their Spark news as well, which is coming out. Chainlinks probably bouncing off the bottom of that trend line and coming back up towards the top as well. Litecoin is powering, so it's pretty good. And we'll jump over the BTC chart. We're on the 4 hourly here. We've adjusted this trend line, this bottom trend line, so this can break to the bottom side, to the downside, but there's some pretty reasonable support as we've talked about the last few days, so we don't really need to go over that. It has made a higher local high, which is really good as well, but you can kind of see here that it's starting to roll over. So break above this 17,000 in this kind of rising channel here, like this rising wedge, and it'll go parabolic. And it's already is parabolic, but if it does this as well, you'll definitely have some craziness about it. We've got small little pullback here, like bouncing off the overbought section, and then the stotch is rolling over as well. So keep that in mind. With BTC, head over to dominance. It's still banging the ceiling of this trend line here as well. So keep in mind, if this comes down here, holy dooly for altcoin season, it will power. So hopefully we can come back here. Altcoins, your 9%, no worries. Your 2x, 3x, 4x, let's get ready for that. Get your moon boots on. Let's roll with altcoin season. Total 2 here for altcoins. We're in this rising wedge. If it can bust above this trend line and then go through, there's some massive upside. You can see here there's more volume over the last few days as well for the altcoins. So that's just what's happening with the DeFi market. And you can see here we've got a good MACD cross as well, so a bullish MACD cross. And last time that happened up here, what do we have? A good little bounce there. So let's just measure that. It's the whole altcoin season, whole altcoin market went up by a good 8% ish. So last time that happened here, and this one here, as you know, over the last few weeks has been pretty damn good. So this here wasn't all that great, but this one was damn good just a few weeks ago now. Ethereum is still knocking on the back of this trend line here, so it could still come back down to 420-ish. That'd be pretty nice. If it bounces back in here and breaks above that, then go long. But at the moment, I feel that Ethereum's just a little bit risky being on top of this, that it could come back down here and test the 420. We've got some news here. This is from another YouTuber as well, and they're saying that the next 20x to 50x crypto trend is coming. It's definitely coming, and it's going to be DeFi. Realistically, it's going to be DeFi. So DeFi is going mad. DeFi's had a massive hit. There's a lot of coins there at the moment that are probably undervalued. if you're looking at Carver, that was up around $5, and now it's a dollar 50, $1.60 or something like this. So it's taken a huge hit. So if you look here, Aaron Arnold is talking about decentralized finance, and it's only just starting. Like it only just started, and then it had this massive hit, which is normal with crypto, and then boom, it's going to fire up again, and it's going to give us some good Christmas presents, I would say. YFI, DeFi, it's on the breakout right now. You can see here is in this nice little bull flag above the 200. I love the 200, and nice MACD cross as well. This may pull back on the stotch, so keep in mind with that. And bang, we've got good breakout, and volume's okay here, not heaps on this breakout, but everything could change, of course, with Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumps like mad. Most things will follow in USDT, but they won't go as good. All the money will start to flow back over towards Bitcoin. But DeFi season is upon us. Teller, TRB, they've got some good news. This is against USDT, and it's breaking out right now as well from this here, this bottoming pattern. So it's got double bottom kind of thing happening, and the measured move is up here, so up around the 40, what are we saying, 44. So you can say 44-ish, you'd be pretty happy. And if it goes to 44 from where we are now, holy moly, 30-odd 3%, 36%. Ah, and it may retest this trend line, which would be really good. So that'd be a good spot to enter if you were getting into it. I would think for myself. Now, CRV as well, it's powering, it's got this double bottom, and it's just breaking out of this double bottom as well, and it's huge as well. Like it's got massive potential. So let's just pull the measured move. It's about there-ish, and obviously you're looking for your horizontals as well, but it's way up here at 756 sats, which is going to be from where it is now a good 46%. So you'd be happy with this. All of this could change, of course, with BTC being mad. And if BTC goes mad, then make sure you've got your stop losses in place and keep your money close to your chest, I would say. Fear and Greed Index, still at 86, still extreme greed. All right, if you like what I'm doing, give me a like and a comment and subscribe. Thanks.